Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to export multiple Corel file into a single PDF print ready or online presentation step by step tutorial without any stress. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about Corel tutorial you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can export your multiple coreldraw file into a single PDF file folder. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to, as you can see on the screen right here, we have 3 Corel file right here. So this is the second Corel file, and then this is the third Corel file. So all this Corel file right here, we are going to compress everything into a single PDF file format. Okay, so the first step you have to take is to come to the home tab right here. You have to click on export, or you press Ctrl E on your keyboard. So once you click on this symbol here, it's prompt up this way. Then the next thing you need to do is to select where you would like to locate your folder. I'm taking this folder to desktop. Then you can name your file. So right here, I'm naming this multiple export. Okay, so having named your file, next thing you need to do is to tap on here, and this is pump up. Then you have to choose PDF Adobe Portable Document Format. So select on that. Then once you click on that, then you have to come down right here and make sure you click on export. Then this window right here is going to pump us. As you can see on the window right here, we have only one current document selected. So for you to select all the 3 file folder, you just have to come to the document right here, select on the document. So it's going to select all the 3 file in CorelDRAW that we have open. Then if you want to uncheck any one of them, let's say you want to export just 2 out of them, you can uncheck any one you want to uncheck. If you want to uncheck the second file, you can uncheck the second file. So this is how you can work on the number of the document that you want to export from Corel file into PDF file folder. Then once you're done, you have to come down right here, click on the PDF preset. This is where you choose the version of PDF that you would like to open the document with, or you can use editing. You can use PDF X1A 2001, 2002, and 2010 CMYK, that is for printing, things like that. So then you have to come here, compatibility of the PDF that can open the PDF file when you eventually export it. You can choose any one of your choice right here. Once you're done, then you have to come down below right here and click on OK. So once you click on OK, the document is going to save. So let's take a look at the document from my desktop. So right here, you can see the document in PDF file format. So let me quickly open. So right now, you can see the document has been presented in a PDF file format. So this is the first one. And by the time I scroll down, you will see the second design file. Everything is in higher resolution. The last one is the third file size that we export everything into PDF presentation. So this is how you can export your multiple CorelDRAW file into a single PDF file format in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in CorelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.
How it's supposed to feel.